Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. With this video, I wanted to talk about some of the most popular penny stocks. That is, penny stocks with the highest trading volume. As you guys know, penny stocks is a high-risk, high-reward way of trading on the stock market. Some equate it to gambling. Others say that it is a skill that can be learned, but again, it is very, very risky. And I just want to warn new investors on Robinhood here that you can lose quite a bit of money quite quickly. So I would not recommend that you jump into penny stock trading as your initial trades. If you want to kind of play around, have a little bit of fun, by all means engage in penny stock investing, but really penny stock investing is very, very risky. Also, I warn you that you should not be holding penny stocks overnight. So if you buy them in a particular trading session, they should be also sold in that same trading session. Yes, you can hold these stocks overnight. You can hold these for days to weeks if you choose, but they're very, very risky. They can trend down quite quickly. Yes, they can trend up quite quickly and you can make quite a bit of money, but you can also lose all your money very, very quickly. So just wanted to warn any new investors out there that penny stocks is very, very risky. So having said all of that, let's talk about 5 penny stocks that are the most popular penny stocks with regards to trading volume. And it's another key point to make as well. Penny stocks, these stocks are stocks that typically are less than $5, and what makes a good penny stock is a stock with a high volume. So any stock with a high volume, you can get in and out of the stock fairly quickly because there's so much volume that's being traded. If penny stock were to have a volume of, let's say, 1,000 as opposed to here 4.8 million, it may take hours, if not days, to sell off that stock just because there's not enough buyers out there buying the particular stocks that you have or are trying to sell. So again, trading volume is a very unique characteristic of penny stocks. I shouldn't say unique. It's a characteristic that you should be looking at when getting into a particular penny stock. You want to make sure that you can get in and out of that stock very quickly because, as I said, they can go up and down very, very quickly. So the first stock here is DCTH here, the Cath Systems. On the bottom here, you can see this is a pharmaceutical and medical device company. You can see here 4.834 million. So there's quite a few shares that are being traded. You can see the market cap there is only 137,000. So fairly low, but this is a very low price stock. You can see here it's only 9 cents. So again, this would be a stock to get in, have a little bit of fun with, but not quite sure you're going to be making a big return on this particular stock. The second stock here, TOPS, Top Ships. This is a very, very popular penny stock with penny stock investors. An international ship-owning company, you can see here, operates tanker vessels. You can see here the volume 6.798 million. The market cap there, 4.12 million. Again, a very low price penny stock, 1.18 here. Over the last year, you can see kind of pump and dump schemes here where it trades at $1.55 all the way up to $6 and then trends back down again, up and down, and that's quite common of penny stocks. A lot of investors try to do a little bit of momentum investing here. Trends down as stocks are sold off and then again pumped up again, sold off, and then down again. So quite typical of a penny stock here, and again, a great volume at 6.798 million. The third stock here, Theis Group Holdings. I can see on the bottom there, this is an investment management company. Again, 7.704 million for the volume. This is a much larger company, $40.59 million. Again, penny stock range. If we take a look at the year, again, you can see it kind of goes up and down in a pretty consistent fashion here. And since it's opening back in 2015 or so at $10.970, you can see it's lost most of its value. And again, that's another characteristic of penny stocks. They typically trend down over time quite considerably. You can see all of these stocks are doing essentially that. A lot of these stocks are dying companies that penny stock investors try to eke out a little bit of a profit with. Again, like I said, a lot of these companies are not good long-term plays. And the fourth company here, a very popular penny stock, DRYS, Dry Ships Incorporated. You can see on the bottom here, this is an ocean transportation company, essentially cargo vessels. You can see the volume there, 11.902 million. Again, a penny stock. that has had quite a wild ride, actually. You can see here it was pumped up. Let's see if we can capture that 3-month. We cannot. You can see it was pumped up here, essentially $36. So this did have a consolidation with the number of shares, but up to $578 before coming back down again. And you can see here it's trading $135. So another very popular penny stock. Again, not a great long-term buy, and I would not be holding this overnight if I were doing any penny stock investing. And the last stock here with the highest volume is FTR here, Frontier Communications Group. You can see on the bottom here, this is a company that is a communication services company. Now it looks like it's voice data, voice services. Incredible volume here, 50.863 million, and this is a much larger company, $2.45 billion company. And again, very cheap stock here, 207. And you can see again, this is a company that is essentially a dying company. It has been trending down for quite some time here, since about 2015 or so, up to $6.48 before kind of trending down here. So 5 very popular penny stocks with incredible volumes here. FTR, by far the highest volume penny stock, 50.863 million. Then DRYS, ZAIS, TOPS, and DCTH. So again, these are some penny stocks that can be used for penny stock investing. High risk, high reward stock market investing. I don't particularly advocate for penny stock investing, but it's a fun way to kind of play around with some stocks. You can make some money, but you can also lose quite a bit of money, so it's not a very good long-term investment strategy, but it is a little, it's fun. I've done a little bit of penny stock investing. I think it's fun, but I would equate it to gambling. But again, I don't use a lot of the sophisticated analytics programs or anything like that. So again, 5 very popular penny stocks, and kind of with that, I'll end the video here. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel. Hope you guys are learning a little bit with my videos. I've been learning a ton putting out these videos. Again, if you guys have any good video ideas, let me know. I'm cataloging a lot of your ideas, and I hope to get out videos on everything that is suggested to me, so keep them coming. Definitely appreciate those. And not to make the video too long here, I guess I'll end it here, and we'll see you next video.